Welcome students to another video in maths on the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Now today we take a sum from exercise 3.5, question number 4, the second one. What is said? A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she pays rupees 1000, whereas a student B takes food for 26 days and pays rupees 1180. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Now what is said here? A hostel. Now part of the charges, it is fixed, the hostel charges. Part of the hostel charges is fixed. So when one pays 1000, part of it is from the fixed charges, and what about the rest, remaining part? Remaining part comes from the food one has taken from the mess. Okay, so what is said here? The first student 1, he takes food for 20 days. So the remaining charges will depend on the 20 days that he has taken food, and for the second one the fixed charge is fixed and the remaining will depend on the food that he has taken for 26 days. Okay, so how do we start? We start it this way: solution. What you are asked to find the fixed charges. So we start, let the fixed charge be rupees X, and you also have to find the cost of food per day, and let the cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now what do we have to do? We have to form equations. How? See the first condition. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she pays rupees 1000. A student takes food for 20 days, but she has to pay the fixed charge. What is the fixed charge? Rupees X. Whether one has food, no food, but this charge is fixed. Since she stays in the hostel, this charge is fixed. So what do we have? The fixed charge X, and remaining depends on the food that one has taken. She takes food for 20 days. Cost of food per day is rupees Y. For one day the cost of food is rupees Y. She takes food for 20 days. So what will be the charges? 20Y. Is this clear, students? Cost of food per day is rupees Y. So cost of food for 20 days will be 20 into Y. So this two together, she pays rupees 1000. And similarly, the second student B takes food for 26 days. Now again this student will have to pay the fixed charges, which is same for everyone, X plus 26Y, because she takes food for 26 days, pays rupees 1180. Okay, so now we have two unknown X and Y, two equations. Now we need to solve these equations to find X and Y. Easiest way of solving this, we can use elimination method. Okay, so I am not writing this again. So by elimination, what happens? The signs are same. So what do? We change the signs. Minus, this plus again becomes minus, again becomes minus. X minus X, 20 minus 26, that is minus 6Y equal to minus 180. So y will be equal to minus 180 by minus 6, that is y is equal to 30. Okay, so cost of food per day rupees y, we got y as 30. Now we need to find x. So what do we do? Substituting this value of y in any of the equations. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So what do? We substitute y equal to 30 in equation 1. So x plus 20 y is equal to 1000. Got this clear, students? We got the value of y and now we are substituting it in the first equation. So what do we have? X plus 600 equal to 1000. So x will be equal to minus 600, that is 400. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be the fixed charge, that is x. So the fixed charge is rupees. So your answer will be fixed charge rupees 400 and cost of food per day and cost per day is rupees 30. Okay, students, understood? Come on. Thank you.